Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated location. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to the... Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Livingston County in central Illinois, southern LaSalle County in north central Illinois, until 3:45 p.m. At 2:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Wayona, or 11 miles southwest of Streator, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Streator, Pontiac, Wayona, South Streator, Cornell, Ransom, Rutland, Long Point, and Damask, including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 197 and 201. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.